You and your colleagues have been appointed by Volvo to participate in a super secret mission in Siberia. You and your team will work with a completely new system that is developed to support Volvo trucks and Volvo construction vehicles in harsh environments. In order to test this in reality, you got the opportunity to go to Siberia, where there is a special test track only used by Volvo. And you got to go there with some of your colleagues from your team. The track is located 3 hours by car from the hotel. Because this mission is so secret, you can only tell your family that you are on a business trip to Russia. You're not allowed to reveal where and why. You have to leave all your mobile phones and cameras at home. And the only one that knows exactly where you really are your colleagues, your boss, and the project manager. You're now at the location of the test track. Your mission is to sit in the small office and keep track of the servers that collect and queue data. You have now spent 2 weeks away from home, and you know that this is the last day, and you will soon be heading home. Still, there is not so much snow in these parts of the country, so your trips back and forward between the hotel and the test track has been very smooth. However, the weather forecast has predicted snow tomorrow. Hopefully you will be finished in time and on your way home before that. As you sit there collecting data, you notice some dark clouds outside on the horizon. Really black clouds. The wind outside grows stronger and you begin to suspect that the predicted weather will come sooner than expected. It's really cold outside, far below zero. And it starts to snow now. You continue to work and look at the time, just 1 hour left. Then you are about to drive back to the hotel, pack up all your things and take the evening plane from Russia and go home. Outside, the wind increases and the sky is turning dark blue, almost black. The snow is falling, light at first, but increases fast. You can see the snow covering up everything really fast. You're waiting impatiently at your colleagues. Where are they? Anxiously, you see the snow piling up along the roadside. Finally, your colleague comes back from the test track. The weather is turning really bad, and you all realize that you need to hurry up and pack up all your gears into the Jeep and drive the 3-hour road back to the hotel. The road you're driving on is quite narrow, and during the time you have been here, you never seen or met any other car along the way. There are no lights along the way, neither nor any houses. The test track is completely out in nowhere land. Now you're driving along the narrow road very carefully. You notice that the snow banks are growing along the roadside. It is difficult to see the difference between the road and the roadside down to the ditch. You need to drive really slowly and very carefully. Luckily, it is warm and cozy in the car, and you're looking forward to get home. Suddenly, you feel the car is slipping to the side, and as you try to get it back on track, it glides towards the roadside and down in the ditch. You try to reverse. The car is a 4-wheel drive, but the ditch is quite steep and has, together with the soft snow, trapped the car completely. For a moment there is total silence in the car. You look at the outside temperature. It shows minus 45 degrees. It is very cold. You're shivering. You can't either reverse or driving forward at all. You are stuck. What will you do? You look around in the Jeep and try to see if you can find something that is useful for the situation. You notice a lot of items: compass, maps, flashlight and so on. But which of these items is most useful in this particular situation.